Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. It is 5th of May 2021, Class 8th, Subject General Science. Dear students of Class 8th, today our topic is contact force. सुनो गोबरो आज पढ़ो contact force क्या गो. Force that come in play when two objects come in contact with each other are called contact forces. When contact forces are one of the forces when the force that come in play when two objects come in contact. ये लहसा है ज object ज चीज आके से रलन या एन आके search come in contact with each other आके से रलन are called contact force. इमन चवन इस contact force. For example, अगर वो contact force are of two types. आगो muscular force तो बेया कैसे गो friction. यानी अगर वो muscular force is the force which is exerted due to the action of muscles. Muscular force हसा गो so force यूस हसा exert ची गसा किम सहित action of muscles. यानी muscle action सहित गसा से exert. Actions such as bending, अगर वो bending, bend चेस करा, moving, पकान च, running, आत्मस कम चीज़ का involve muscles are examples of muscular forces. It is a contact force as it come in play when it comes in contact to the object. बेयागो friction क्या गया याद से बना च रगड़. Friction is equal to the opposite force which is exerted on an object when the surface of it come in contact with other surface. It is also contact force as is exerted when two different surfaces come in contact with each other. Yel hasa different surfaces, yel hasa different surfaces in आके सो तो तिस गई फ्रिक्शन हेकान गसित तो तवे हसा contact force. आज गो युतुई बाकी वो पगह बी खुदा सवाल.